Are you willing to sign here that that statement was read to you?
Put my glasses on, I will.
Okay, your glasses are not an option at this point, okay?
Reading a contract I'm going to sign is what's going to happen.
Okay.
I'm not going to sign something I can't read.
Okay,
That's
are you
stupid.
going to submit to a breath test?
I already did.
No, we did a PBT in the field, which you were unable to complete.
You did it 3 times. That's why
Which
you arrested
you were
me.
unable to complete.
So why did you arrest me?
Okay.
I'm sorry. What
We'll cover
grounds am
all
I being
this.
arrested
We'll
on?
cover all this in court. Are you going to...
Some mistakes affect only yourself, but when a mother drives drunk with her young toddler in the back seat, it's more than a mistake, it's deadly danger. A tense scene unfolds as officers pull her over, and what they discover turns the situation into a chilling reality. What happens when the responsibilities of motherhood collide with shocking recklessness? Stick around to see how this unfolds. If you're new here, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Cop's Dream for more jaw-dropping stories that you won't want to miss. The chaotic scene takes place in Newport, Washington, as police officers initiated a traffic stop after multiple reports of erratic driving by a white pickup truck. The vehicle, operated by a woman with her toddler in the back seat, was observed speeding, weaving between lanes and driving without its headlights on.
And began receiving multiple 911 calls, reporting a possible drunk driver in a white truck. Here's what the officers did next.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Good. I'm Officer Garza with Newport Police Department.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, can I have you hang up the phone?
Yeah, in just a minute.
No, I mean now. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, have you had anything to drink tonight?
No, ma'am.
Okay, any intoxicating, substances, compressed air, are you on any prescription medication, anything like that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so the reason I'm asking is because there's been multiple calls about your driving.
The other officer said. Yes.
Okay.
So I got very turned around in the fog, like confused and kind of worried about it for a minute. Especially because I'm obviously low on gas. Actually, I'm
Okay. How many kiddos you got back there?
one.
Just one?
Just one.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
I've got little ones.
Yeah.
So,
Well,
wow,
they're
your window
just-
tint is really dark.
Yeah.
Hard to see
They're
through.
just
We're not talking about my kids right now, so I got
no,
my
we're
body
not talking
camera
about
on just to
mine.
let you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
So, where did you start out tonight?
What do you mean?
Like, where are you coming from?
My mom's house
Okay, where does she? I don't know who your
in
mom
Newport.
is. In Newport.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you were headed.
I was driving for about 45 minutes and I was so turned around in the fog and I didn't even know I was back in Newport until I saw the coffee cup.
Oh, yeah,
Over there, And
okay.
I was like, oh my god. And then I realized I gotta get gas. Yeah, so I was a little bit.
Do you mind stepping out of the vehicle?
I do, so I took my shoes off. I will find them really quick.
Okay.
I know that sounds weird. I know, baby, I know. I'm sorry. They're not nice. I'll be back in a minute.
I think it's okay.
Talk to my daughter.
I'm sorry. We normally
No,
try to
you're-
take care of
I
children,
understand
so.
that, but I am actually very protective, and I've had a lot of people that are not nice to my daughter, so, like, and I understand you're a cop and you're
There's shoes on?
Nope, we're here now, so we might as well not. I mean, they're in there, and I can find them, but I don't reach very well, so.
Okay.
I can try to grab your shoes.
I just,
I'm good,
it's kind
thanks.
of wet, so I don't want your socks
We're
to get
here.
super soaked.
Thanks.
Okay, so if you want to step on back here to the front of this officer's
Hey,
rig,
baby, I will be right back.
you can have someone kind of stand here so that if she
No,
really
I'm
starts
good,
to
thank
cry.
you. She's not going to know
Okay.
any of you, so that would be
Okay,
weird.
I didn't say that I would have anybody in there with her,
Yeah,
but we'll
no,
have someone
no,
stand by the front here, okay?
No,
Go
that's
ahead
okay.
and have a step over here, please.
Driving without headlights and speeding violated Washington state traffic laws, RCW 46.36.37.400. Penalties for these violations include fines up to $250 for each offense and possible court-mandated attendance in traffic school for repeated violations. Accumulating too many violations can also lead to license suspension under Washington's points system, with potential suspension for up to 1 year, depending on the number of points accrued. When approached, the driver appeared defensive and dismissive. Officers noted signs of impairment, including slurred speech and difficulty following instructions. She attributed her erratic driving to being disoriented in the fog and low on gas, while also exhibiting erratic behavior by refusing to cooperate fully during questioning.
Okay, are you familiar with standardized field sobriety tests?
Yes. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, is there any medical reason why you wouldn't be able to complete a standardized field
No, ma'am.
sobriety test? Okay. Do you have any vision issues? I'm assuming you don't have contacts.
No, ma'am, I'm fine. Thank you.
No, did you hear my question is what I'm asking?
Do I have any vision issues?
Do you have any contacts in by chance
No, I
that
have
you would
glasses
have?
on.
I understand that, so I'm
Yeah.
making sure that you didn't
Yeah, no,
accidentally
you're
have
good,
both
thank
on.
you.
Okay, So are you going to be able to look at me here if I put my light up like that? Is that better?
I mean, it's aggravating. It's a light
Okay,
in my eyes.
but is that better?
We're fine, yeah.
Okay.
Better? No.
So I'm going to have you look right here. Do you see this?
I do.
The tip of my finger?
Yep.
Okay. So I need you to keep looking here at the tip of my
sorry,
finger.
I'm watching my daughter.
We can go back to the other
It's
car
a
if it's
No, you're
easier.
fine. I'm going to keep an eye on my daughter no matter
Okay,
what.
well,
So it's
I'm going to
a mom
need you
thing.
to.
Yeah,
I'm going to need you to
fine.
watch this though.
Yep,
Okay.
I got you.
Okay, right here. Mm-hmm. Just keep looking for it if you can't see it any further off to the side. Sorry.
Sorry, I'm hearing my daughter.
Okay, so we can start over right here. Okay. So just keep your head
Not
straight
start
forward.
over.
No, we're not starting from the beginning. Okay. Keep your head straight forward. Tip of the pin right here, and then just follow it as far as your eyes can see it. Okay, but you got to be looking at it.
Sure.
Last one here. Just make sure you keep your head straight forward. Okay. All right.
Can I turn on the truck so that heater's on?
I can turn on the truck.
Well, I'm just asking if I can just turn on. So
I can do it. Yeah, it's fine. I'll do it. Thank you.
If you put it in accessories mode,
Girl, I'm sorry.
that door's there.
Here, thank you.
Okay, come on back over here.
I mean, I get what you guys are doing. I understand. I understand what you guys are doing, but don't be mean to me about this. Go ahead. Sorry. What can we do next?
Okay, so next thing we're going to do is called the walk and turn.
Okay.
What I'm going to have you do is stand with both feet together, heel to heel, toe to toe, arms out of your pockets and down at your side, okay?
Okay.
Just imagine if there was a line here. Whenever you're ready.
Suck. 4. 8. Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Would you like us to get your
no? I just
shoes
want
out?
Shoes.
Well, I understand that, but you have shoes in the truck,
no,
right?
Yeah.
Can we get them out for you?
We'll do this. It's fine. 1,000, 4,000, 5,000.
Arms down at your side.
7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000. Oh, sorry.
During the sobriety tests, the woman repeatedly failed to comply, showing signs of intoxication. Her attempts to justify her actions, such as stepping back into her vehicle unprompted, further raised concerns. Driving under the influence, DUI, is a violation of Washington state law, RCW 46.61.025, which prohibits operating a vehicle while impaired by alcohol or drugs. Penalties for a first offense include fines ranging from $940 to $5,000, license suspension for at least 90 days, and up to 364 days in jail. Offenders are also required to complete DUI education programs and may be subject to mandatory substance abuse assessments and treatment plans.
I'm sorry.
Don't fall over, okay? I don't want you to fall over.
My toes are numb. I'm sorry. My feet. Sorry.
Okay. You're fine. I don't want you to have an
My
accident
feet
and
are
hurt yourself.
freezing. I'll do the other foot.
Nope, we're good. So I'm gonna have. Do you mind just standing up here with her for a quick second? Okay. Can we get your shoes out for you?
You want me to get your shoes? I'll go grab for you.
I will. Can I grab them, or are you guys against that?
Yeah, that would probably be better than. We can't have you back in the vehicle right now, ma'am. Okay. She does. And she's pretty salty. She just HGN present, failed walk and turn, failed one leg stand. I can smell alcohol when it blows the right direction. So just doing one of these if she'll cooperate. But if not, either way we're gonna go on this at this point, just based on SFSTs. You don't want to stand on the blanket?
Nothing. Okay.
Okay, your feet were super cold though.
They're frozen right now.
Okay, so do you want to stand where it's warmer?
They're already frozen.
Okay.
I just want her to leave my daughter alone.
Have you taken a portable breath test before?
Yes, I am. Yeah, sure.
Okay, are you willing to take one now?
Do I have to?
I
that
can't
or
force your
whatever.
choice. So
That's
do
fine.
you want to take it?
I'd rather not, but you're gonna make me.
Well, you can
I'd
make that
rather
choice.
not, but you're gonna make me.
Okay,
It's
I'm not
your
gonna-
choice, not mine. So sure.
So big deep breath in, wrap your mouth around the straw, and blow out strong. Saying flow high.
know what that means.
So try not to blow so hard. Apparently, I know it's an instrument, not a. So deep breath in and just steady breath out. Okay. Okay, you're blowing too hard is the problem. It's what it's telling me, high flow, which just means it's too much air going through it too fast. So we can try it one more time.
Okay.
Just smooth and steady out, all right? That's all we're looking for.
Sure.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Keep going. You can't suck in air. I'm sorry.
God,
So, at this point, you're under arrest for DUI.
I understand that. What you're waiting for. Can I see my daughter, please?
Radio at all, my
You're
portable.
not a mom. You guys aren't parents. Like, that's my daughter. She's freaking out in the car.
Okay, let me read you this, and then we can chat about that, all right?
You got a kid?
Okay. You have the right to remain
You have a
silent.
daughter?
Anything you can say.
That's my
It's time
right
to
now.
talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while
What
you're
I
being questioned.
understand is that's my
If you
daughter
cannot
in the
afford
car
to
right
hire a
now,
lawyer,
and none
one
of
will
you
be
have
appointed to
kids, and
represent
none
you
of you
before
care.
questioning if you wish.
She's freaking out, and none of you care. That's what's going on.
Exercise
The
these
thing I
rights
give a
and
f-
any
about is
questions
my
or make
daughter
any
in the car.
statements
The only
that
about
I've
is
read
my
to
daughter
you.
in the car. The only thing I give a
take
f- about is
car
my
then.
daughter in the car. Let me at least say goodbye to her.
Ma'am?
She's freaking out. Are you f***ing seriously? She's freaking. She's already freaking out. She's already freaking out.
And I've been nothing-
You're a f***ed up
Let's go.
mother. You're a f***ed up mother.
Is there another guardian of the child that we can contact?
Nope.
Okay, I'll call CPS.
Shit. I hope your daughter dies. I hope
Is
your
there
kids die. I hope your
there
daughter
another
dies.
guardian?
Shit! You don't even have my phone or nothing. That's my daughter in there. That's my daughter. I did nothing wrong. I haven't done a damn thing wrong. I've been nice to you. That's my daughter. She's freaking out. You f***ing piece of shit.
Sure, there's nothing in that.
I'll find the kid.
Furthermore, because a child was present in the vehicle, the charges carried enhanced penalties under RCW 46.61, F56.61, F56.61, longer jail sentences, and a mandatory 60 hours of community service. The court may also require the installation of a community service. The court may also require the installation of a community service device, preventing the driver from starting the car without passing a breathalyzer test. As the situation exacerbated, the woman exhibited increasingly hostile behavior. Despite multiple warnings, she verbally attacked the officers and attempted to manipulate the situation by leveraging her child's presence. Her refusal to complete a breath test, even after multiple explanations of the consequences, resulted in additional charges.
Is there another parent or guardian I can contact for your daughter so that she doesn't have to go with
Give me my
strangers?
phone and I'll tell you.
The
Let
answer
me
is
call
yes
her
or
parent.
no.
Yes, give
Okay.
me my phone so I can call her parent. My daughter's freaking out in the car right
Bring
now.
it down a notch
I hope
and I'd
you
be
have a
happy
child
to
that
work
goes
with
through
you.
this.
Bring it down a notch, we'll be happy to work with you.
Bring
I don't
it down a notch.
Yeah, calm
my
down.
daughter is in the car freaking out. You calm down. You got a kid?
We're not answering questions about me.
Oh, of course you're not.
Okay, so is there a parent or guardian of the child that I
Yes,
can
there
contact?
is.
What's the name?
Bring me the phone. I'll
No,
tell you.
close the door. I'll call CPS
Douglas
then.
Telios. Douglas Telios.
Just close the door.
Would you like me to try to get a hold of husband for you? Since I feel like you got the short end of the stick.
Oh, it's
here.
fine. Doug, do we know Doug?
I don't, but I can look on our computer.
Let's see if we have Doug in
Good if I
locals.
call him, see if he'll come out.
Oh yeah, I would have gotten her phone out for her if she would stop screaming at me.
No, I
so
hear you. I just don't want to step on your toes on it.
no, you're good. I don't want the kiddo left alone. It is cold and she
Yeah,
is. Okay, but see if you have Doug in locals. I'll check here. I'm gonna have you hang with me apparently. Okay. Do you have anything else in the vehicle that you're gonna need? Wallet, phone, medication?
My wallet and my daughter.
Okay, I can't put your daughter in the back seat with you. That's just not allowed.
So, the Doug I have in house, he's in Spokane, but none of the numbers I have for him work. I'm having dispatch dig for other numbers. Yeah, she also has a 21-year-old son, according to my dispatcher, who seems to know her. But I don't know if that helps us any, if she doesn't want to turn him over to the son.
If son knows how to get a hold of dad, I mean, I have to somehow either give her permission to enter the vehicle to get the phone out and stuff, which she's screaming at me to do, but then she's telling me to go F myself. So I want to violate her rights with the vehicle. So if we can get a hold of son to try to, if he knows dad, I'm gonna see if she'll give me permission to go in after her wallet and phone, but her kiddo's not coming out, so we'll see. Okay, ma'am, because we're in the state of Washington, I have to have your specific permission to enter your vehicle to get your phone and wallet out, but I can't take your daughter out. I can't do that, ma'am. So you can either give me permission to enter the vehicle, or we can keep trying other means. I would be happy to get your phone out for you, but going back up to the vehicle right now is not an option.
But you hire a vehicle?
Nope, I'm asking for permission only to enter and retrieve your phone. That's all.
You have permission to only enter and retrieve my phone and nothing else.
Okay, where
I want
is...
that on record.
That's what I'm...
The dude who recorded
Okay,
that.
I'm right
You
here...
have my permission to go in.
Okay.
Right? So I'm just
I know, I have a body camera right here, so that way you know
Cool.
that it's recorded.
So understand that you have my permission to go into my car and get my phone and nothing else.
Okay,
Don't
where's-
touch my daughter.
But where's your phone at? Is it in the center console?
It's in the
Is it-
center console.
Is
right
it
there.
inside or just sitting on top?
Nope, just sitting on.
I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle real quick just so we can empty out your pockets, okay? Step out of the vehicle.
I'm kind of cuffed.
Here,
Like,
well,
what do you want?
swing your legs around.
Please don't pull me. That's
I'm
mean.
trying not to, but you just
You're
said you
trying,
couldn't
but you're
get out.
kinda being-
Spread your legs. Spread your legs. A little bit wider. Is it just a button back here, or is there something in your back pocket? I can't tell if it's just your button on your pants.
Can you put my glasses up for me? Thanks. Oh God, I'm so sorry. I love you. Yes, Scott. I hope you all have kids, and I hope they all get skin.
Get your phone out of your truck with your permission, okay?
I want my daughter.
Okay. She previously gave me permission on camera. So I'm gonna get her phone out so we can call Dad. Are we sure this isn't another child?
That's what I was trying to.
Is this a little brother? Do you have a baby over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
There's something over there freaking out too. I was like, what the heck?
No, I know. I just saw the hood of the top here. I went in. I got the phone, and only the phone. How do I open it up so you can get the number?
I don't know. You have to hand it to me so I can do it.
Is it face recognition?
It's not.
Okay,
It's a
so you can type
So
it in.
Hand it to me, and I'll do it.
This isn't a game.
Oh my
over
God.
who's right
I'm
or wrong.
not trying to be shitty. Hand me my goddamn phone so I can call her dad to come get her. I love my daughter. I understand.
show me that.
I understand I'm going to jail. I understand you want to be
So
like
show me.
really authoritative in front of you. I'm not going to do anything crazy. Let me call her dad so she can go home and be happy. That's all I care about.
Okay.
Do you understand that? You don't have kids, do you?
Okay, listen.
Sweetheart, I just
Sweetie.
want to call her dad.
Open the passcode.
I'll do
you
it
can
in
tap
front of
it
you.
right there.
Give me the phone
You're
and
holding
I'll-
it. It's right here,
You can
ma'am.
stand here in front of me
You're
and just
right
want to
here.
get her dad. Look, you're so dumb. Really? Do you not know how phones work? Lower so he can talk to me. Lower.
Well, the other alternative
Well, I'm trying
is
to help
CPS.
you. You're making this
I know.
harder than it needs to be just because you're mean to me.
The other option
You're
is
no, you're
CPS.
being. I'm trying to fix this, and you're making it harder just because you want to. You don't care if I hurt myself to do it, because you don't care about my daughter, and you don't care about anything else. That's awesome. Can you just look? I just want to hit the phone button. Seriously, lower,
Your hand
like
is right there.
like look. And yeah, and my hand is right here. Oh my God, can you hit the side button then? Because you're kind of doing this on purpose just to be mean at the thing to you. I can't hit the phone button. Like seriously, seriously.
We probably ought to call the on-call CPS then and make sure they can get someone rolling. So if we can't get a hold of anyone, that's the option.
Let me put on messengers. Let me put on. CPS is gonna come.
A call has been forwarded to
Good
an automatic
call.
voice.
Let me talk to her. This is.
No, I think it's just a *67 version where it's blocked.
Let me at least see her. Don't be a jerk.
Does he get? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna need.
This is
some-
her dad, and
just,
he will come get her. I
like
just
a
gotta get in touch with her.
quick-
Don't put her in CPS.
Yeah, sorry.
Don't
yeah,
put her in that.
yeah,
She will
I'm
freak
sorry.
out.
She's yelling at my. Sorry.
I'm not yelling. I'm talking about my daughter. This is important.
Yeah, perfect. I can't.
Not, you're obviously
I
have
will
no
have-
children. I don't know
I
if you
will
can't
have
have
them
children or
try-
something, but you're obviously such a.
I
like,
really-
I can call him again.
I'm done with that for a minute. I need a breather.
Under RCW 46.20-308, refusal to submit to a breath test triggers an automatic license suspension of 1 year for a first refusal and up to 2 years for subsequent refusals, as well as fines of up to $1,000. Furthermore, her refusal to cooperate and verbal attacks on the officers constituted resisting arrest, which violated RCW 9A76.40. This offense, classified as a gross misdemeanor, is punishable by up to 364 days in jail and fines of up to $5,000.
Do you want to try calling him once, or do you want me? I can. I don't know. Oh, it's calling something. I don't even know. I don't have her.
Something.
Yeah, I'd have to look. All I
I
did.
hope your daughter dies.
Faye.
Your kids are gonna pay for your shit.
Faye.
But you can't have kids, can
Faye.
you? You can't have kids.
Listen, want to
You
give
see
me the
my
name
daughter.
of someone so she doesn't have to go to CPS right now?
You care.
This is
You
our option.
obviously don't care. I
Then,
want my daughter.
then CPS it is. Do you want me to get your wallet out of the car or not?
I want my phone and my wallet and my daughter.
So where is your wallet at in your car?
Take me over and I'll show you.
No, where is it?
I want to see my.
So I've got her
I
phone.
want to see my daughter. I'm not cooperating.
Do you have any luck reaching that number?
Yeah, I called twice and left a message. I called dispatch.
I've tried so hard. I'm trying really hard. Just FYI, she's adamant that we don't have permission to be in her vehicle. She doesn't understand, and I can't explain to her in her current state why we're allowed to check on the child. You know what I mean? Bonner County said the registered owner can come get the vehicle, but we've called Dad 7 or 8 times. He won't answer, and she won't give me any other name besides FU to call to come pick her daughter up. So we're going to call CPS, and I can get the name for the registered owner.
Okay.
But she's got priors, so she's going to have to be booked.
Oh yeah.
So I didn't have a triple I done yet, so I gotta do that.
Yeah.
But I need a processor, but she's gonna require an extra set of hands
Okay.
because she's already trying to kick out my cage.
I'll find out. Why would you do this? Why would you do anything?
Hey, stop or you're gonna get 35 sheriff. On the call of my class.
Why? She didn't do anything. She didn't hurt you. She's a little girl. You don't deserve kids, so I swear to God, I hope to God you can't have kids. I hope to God you can't have kids.
150145.
I hope to God nobody ever has kids with you, because if they do, they need to be taken away. You are a bad person and a bad mom, and you have no good heart. You horrible person. Take me in. I even told the other officer it doesn't matter. Talk about me, but you can't even let me say goodbye to her. You can't even let me, legitimately call somebody because you're such a Oh my God! Why would you do that to a little girl? Why? Why? Why would you do that to a little girl? You have issues of your own.
Alright, swing your legs around.
Oh, my glasses, please.
I put them up on top of the rest of your
Put them on
property.
my face, please.
Swing your legs
I'd like to be able to
around.
see something
Ma'am,
on
I'm
my face,
asking
please.
nicely.
I'm obliging. I would like my glasses on my
Come
face,
over here to
please.
the
Can I
brick
have my
wall.
glasses, please? Can
You
I have
see
my
what she
glasses so I
broke?
can, please? I can't see anything. I could like my glasses, please.
So I know they've already searched you. Do you have anything on you you shouldn't have in here?
I want my glasses, please.
Okay, go ahead and face the camera. You're still with these guys for right now, okay? So
I'd like my glasses, please.
I could only get so far off with her jacket.
okay.
I'd like my glasses,
The
please.
most shocking moment occurred when the woman, enraged by her arrest, wished harm upon an officer's child. Despite her outbursts, the officers remained professional, ensuring the child was safely removed from the situation and contacting Child Protective Services, CPS, to arrange care. Her erratic behavior extended to the station, where she continued to insult officers and resist any attempts to de-escalate. In the end, the insane mother had to face multiple charges, including DUI, reckless endangerment, resisting arrest, and refusal to submit to a breath test. Additionally, CPS was involved to safeguard her child's welfare.
Are you willing to sign here that that statement was read to you?
Put my glasses on.
Okay, glasses are not an option at this point, okay?
Reading a contract I'm going to sign is what's going to happen.
Okay,
I'm not
that's
going to
fine.
sign
It's all
something I
documented.
can't read.
Okay,
That's
are you
stupid.
going to submit to a breath test?
I already did.
No, we did a PBT in the field, which you were unable to complete.
You did it 3 times. That's why
Which
you
you
arrested
were
me.
unable to complete.
So why did you arrest me? What am
All
I being
this,
arrested
we'll
on?
cover all this in court. Are you going to submit to a breath test,
No.
yes or no?
What grounds are you arresting
refused it
me on?
is.
That's not what I said. I'm asking you what grounds you arrested me on. If the
Ma'am.
f***ing breath, no,
Ma'am.
you put me through a
Caleb.
deal. Let me understand this. Am I not?
I'm not going to say it. We'll talk about it in court.
So why did you arrest
Are
me?
you going to take the breath
Why
test
did you
or
arrest?
not?
What grounds did you arrest me on? I'm confused.
Yeah, we're done.
I'm just trying to.
Do you want to take the breath test or not?
So what
yes or
happens
no?
if I don't?
I just read you a
I
whole
can't
paper.
read anything.
I
Say
read
it again,
to
please.
you. Your license can be
Do
suspended.
you not see this? Read it to me again and explain it to me.
I'm
I'm confused.
Do you count this as anything?
Refusal. I mean, for sure.
I'm
So-
not refusing anything. I want you to explain it to me.
I read you in its entirety the full statement that states if you refuse the breath test, your license can be suspended, revoked, or denied.
Just give me the breath test.
So for the third time, I will ask, are you going to take the
So
breath
for the
test?
fourth time, I'll do a breath test. So you basically had no reason to arrest me, is what you're saying?
Absolutely
I didn't
not,
complete
ma'am.
a breath test, isn't it?
So
You can try once
This,
if you
okay.
want.
So what it is
Okay.
for legal purposes. So
Thank you.
they attempted to do the PBT,
Four
which is a
times,
field
yes.
sobriety
Yes,
test.
four
which is
times out there.
No, we did.
Tell me.
We did
sounds like-
My daughter
SFSTs.
made a big thing about it. Yeah, okay.
So
That's
right
why I was
now
arrested.
we've got this right here, which
Okay.
what it's going to do is you're going to blow into the mouthpiece for the machine.
Right, just
It's
like
going
they
to
do
take
up there.
No,
two-
it's
but
two
this
different
is,
things.
This is two different things. Yeah.
This is a scientific instrument. That's a portable breath
So,
test.
Yes.
Okay, so explain to me why I got
The breath
and
test
then-
didn't show
I'm
anything,
sorry.
It was
but it didn't
inconclusive.
show
So
anything.
if it-
My understanding.
It failed.
I was not out there.
Well, but he can't answer, ma'am. Listen, legally, he wasn't there. He can't answer that question.
I understand
Your
that.
breath
I'm
test
asking for an
had a
explanation.
failure.
I understand he wasn't
No,
there.
no, but
I'm
I mean,
asking-
in a court of law.
I appreciate it.
You were on a DUI.
what
So
was
do
the
you want to
probable
submit
cause?
to the breath test or
What was
not?
the probable cause? Yes, I will
Then-
submit to that. I'm just trying to.
Okay, we don't talk about this right now. We don't have to have this whole conversation.
No,
I have
get
probable
that
cause.
You think you're authoritative
Let's
figure,
do
and
it.
you're
Okay,
one of
you
me.
guys want to treat her
I
head
just-
while you're
we
here?
can
They're
do
here
that.
to treat your head. So we'll do that first.
Yeah, let's do that first. And while we're doing that, can you continue to explain this to me? So,
Don't explain anything on the roadside or anything else, pretty much.
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be. But I'm confused. If you did 3 tests out there.
We're done. We're done talking. Because listen, nothing I'm saying,
sorry, are you
you're
involved?
not. Yeah, apparently in here I have to be because you're not processing anything that you're being told.
You're right. I'm not processing the fact that you did 3 tests out
This
there.
is what happens when you're this intoxicated, ma'am.
We have some of the guys who draw like Nike signs on them.
Right, yes.
Make them a little bit cool. All right.
Give them some animation. You can leave them.
This case serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of impaired driving, particularly with a child in the vehicle. Instead of accepting responsibility and cooperating, the woman's resistance and hostility exacerbated the situation, leading to severe legal consequences. This incident also underscores the importance of accountability and responsible decision-making, especially as a parent. By prioritizing her defiance over her child's safety, the mother not only endangered lives, but also risked losing custody of her child. Cooperation and calm could have mitigated the consequences, but her actions left a lasting impression of recklessness and irresponsibility. That wraps up today's episode. What's your take on this drama? Please share your opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take on this complex issue. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more incredible cases like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to CopStream for your front row seat to the wildest law enforcement stories. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more jaw-dropping incidents that remind us that the law always catches up.